name is Anlele and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am so happy to show you how to do passion cake. And viewers, please hit that subscribe button and click the notification button right next to it so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Welcome. And our ingredients are our margarine 250 grams, sugar 250 grams, flour 350 grams, and we put our 5 grams of baking powder inside. We'll mix it. Then our 5 eggs and a few drops of passion essence. So we'll start by putting our margarine and our sugar, then cream it until we get the whitish fluffy paste. Then we go to the next step. Always remember to start with a low speed, then advance as the mixture goes by. I'll add a few drops of passion essence, then lower the speed and start putting eggs little by little. Our mix is ready. Now we stop the machine. We bang it to release the air inside. We bake at 180 degrees for 1 hour. Viewers, this is the passion cake that we had made earlier, and now we are going to convert this passion cake into a passion forest cake. Very beautiful. We have our passion filling, we have our cake, we have our syrup, passion syrup. We have our whipped cream that we have put just few essence of passion inside and whipped it. And we have our chocolate, white chocolate shavings. So we'll start by putting our sponge syrup first so that it soaks. The syrup soaks inside so that when the cake is not dry. Put our whipped cream. Be generous with the cream. Then we put our passion filling inside. I'm salivating, my viewers. It's very yummy. Put our next sponge on top. Make sure it is positioned at the middle. Then soak it.